Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys some new products that I just purchased. I think there was only one product in here that was sent to me on PR, but besides that I think everything that I'm showing you guys is pretty new. I'm actually not going to show you guys like applications, but it's more talking about new products and what I think about them, and the foundation that I have on is brand new. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Paint Me Pretty Cynthia A, and if you're my loyal subscribers, hi guys, welcome back. So if you guys want to watch this video, then please stay tuned. Please stay tuned. Please stay tuned. Okay, so let's get this started. I know I look like I'm dark, but I have to push the hair back. Sure, yeah. All right, eyebrows. So I have the new Wonder Beauty, yeah, and I actually compared it to my brow wiz. They're pretty similar, guys. If you can see here that they are pretty similar, just the way they look, you know. So yeah, I look at my eyebrows when they're done and when they're not done, I'm like, this is pitiful. Alright, so I really like this eyebrow pencil. It's so similar to the Anastasia that, yeah, pretty good. Alright guys, so I got two more eyebrow products. So what I'm gonna do is use my Maybelline one today, because this one is a Tattoo Studio waterproof brow gel. So it's one of the ones that you brush it on. This is a eyebrow maker. I'm just gonna try this one out on my hand and just kind of see what, how it works, and then in my next video maybe use it. I'm not gonna use it because it's too warm. This is dark brown too. Oh no, this is medium brown. Yeah, it's too warm, but I'm pretty interested on how it would work. So maybe next time I go to CVS, I'll get the dark brown. So let's see if this color is my color. So it came with an extra little spoolie that I don't need. It says to start in the middle. Okay, I grabbed the right color. And then slowly go to ends of your brows. And a lot of product comes out. Should just do that. Oh, did I need that little spoolie just to kind of groom it out? Maybe I do need the hold on. Okay, I do need the spoolie. I went and got it back. Like, it's mine. I'm sorry I threw you. I mean, this actually is pretty good. Wow. Yeah, I like it. That looks good. I actually like this a lot. A lot. And it doesn't feel watery. It you can feel the product, but doesn't, like when you're putting it on, but it's not like watery, and it's not messing up the eyebrow pencil. Have you guys ever tried put an eyebrow pencil and then you put a liquid like on top just to kind of keep it still, like a clear brow gel, and all of a sudden the brow that you created just goes away, or you have like little spots? Well, this doesn't do that. I like this a lot. I like you a lot. Okay guys, so I bought the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof. I did try to use it underneath my eyes, and it's just, I don't like how it looks underneath my eyes. Like, to me it looks cakey. I don't really like thick concealers. So what I'm gonna do is carve out my eyebrows with concealer. So that's what I'm gonna do with this one. If you like thick concealers, then this probably will be for you, but I personally do not like it for underneath my eyes. I just, like I said, I look older than what I am because I'm 20. I'm kidding. Alright guys, so I got actually got two new NYX matte liquid liner. One of my Instagram followers, I think, told me to try this out because she wanted to see me in matte liquid liner. So I bought two. I'm actually trying to find the other one because I don't know where. Oh, here it is. So I'm going to use the one that I already opened. So I bought two, and yeah, I tried it already. I absolutely loved it. So I'm just going to show you guys. You guys, I'm like so obsessed with this liner. Like, I really love it. Like, I love it so much. It's just matte, and I just think it's awesome. So thank you so much. I forget her name. I'm not sure if she's on YouTube, but or follow me on here, or she's a, you know, she's a blogger. I'm not really sure. I should have looked it up. So yeah, thank you so much for recommending this liner to me, and I bought two. So yeah, I'm like loving it so much. Thank you. All right, guys. So lately I've been using the MEHRON body adhesive for my false lashes because for some reason the duo one has been making my eyes itch a little bit. And you guys know how I put my glue on, right, on my lashes. I get the end of a brush and I put the glue on there and then put it on the strip, because I think I mentioned this on one of my videos, because whenever I used to just do like this, the whole entire glue will come out and then I will mess up my lashes. So this is so much easier just to get the end of a brush and, you know, paint it on. Alright guys, so moving on to this foundation I bought at CVS. It's the Physician Formula. It is the Healthy Foundation. It has SPF 20. You guys know that I have issues with putting on foundation that, or anything that has SPF, I break out. Well, I wore this the other day and I did not break out. So yay, I found a foundation, or I found something that I can put on that is SPF, because I'm getting old. I need some SPS in this face. Seriously, this foundation is freaking bomb. Oh my God. So I'm gonna try this liner on. I just got it on in my BoxyCharm. I'm gonna try it on because you guys know that I've been just using Maybelline liner, Maybelline liner, and as much as I love it, I do have to switch up a bit because you guys are gonna get bored watching my same freaking videos. All right, let's see. Okay, so it's going on, but it's not really coming out jet black. Oh, okay, wait, it's buildable. Okay, not bad at all. Alright guys, you know what I'm going to do? I am going to go, you know, do what I have to do throughout the day, and then I'm going to come back and let you guys know how my foundation wore and how my liner wore. The new one that I just showed you guys, vintage. This one, I'm not going to put any eyeshadow underneath just to see if it wears well by itself without eyeshadow, because usually when you put eyeshadow underneath, it holds that liner up on, you know, in your eye. Sometimes it will fade away and you can tell that it fades, but I want to give you a true review on this liner. I caught it with my boobs. Not that I have a lot. Okay, so yeah, I'll let you guys know. I'll come back. Let me see, what time is it? It is 10:50 in the morning. So there we go. It's 10:50 in the morning. I'm gonna assume maybe like around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I'll come back and I'll show you guys how it wore. And yeah, and if I have time, I'll show you guys how it wore at night. Now remember, I don't have a lot of foundation on, so depending on how much foundation you put on is how it's gonna wear. This time around, I didn't put a ton of foundation, so I'll let you guys know how it wore with, you know, very minimum foundation. I'll be back in a little bit, okay guys? Alright guys, so I'm back from lunch and it's 2:43 right now. Let me show you guys. I know I said I would be back by 3 o'clock, but I figure I should just kind of touch base with you guys and let you guys know how is my foundation is doing. So far so good guys. The only thing that came off was I took my lipstick off, so around my lipstick, you know, the foundation removed obviously. But I think that it's holding on. I did put MAC Fix Plus because I like to put here and there, like throughout the day, MAC Fix Plus, just kind of set my face again. I do not like my face looking a little dry, but that usually happens no matter what foundation I have on. It just dries up a bit. So I spray my face with MAC Fix Plus. That's the best freaking setting spray in my opinion for my face. So, but so far, like, the foundation is really holding on really well. Remember guys, I didn't put a lot, but I think that it is really nice. And like I said, around my mouth, you know, I took my lipstick off when I was eating, so it may be a little bit, let me see, I don't even know what it looks like. Actually, it doesn't look bad at all. I do see around my nose, it's kind of getting a little bit red, but nothing too crazy. But then again, I didn't put a lot of foundation on, so that's understandable if it's going to remove just a little bit. Oh, my eyes are tearing up. I just coughed. But so far so good, guys. Let me look again. I actually really like this foundation just because it looks very natural the way that I put it on. What's this right here? I must have touched my face because this side doesn't have it. I must have touched my face here somehow. I don't think that's just the foundation removing. I think it's just I must have scratched or something, because you see that, guys, right in here. Not the hair that's growing back because I shaved. Just right here. But if you look at this side, it doesn't look like that. So I must have like scratched or rubbed my face somehow and it looked like that. Overall, like around my nose, the foundation is not kind of like creasing at all. But then again, I didn't put a lot of foundation. I did put enough, but I didn't put a lot. Oh, and in regards to the liner, I didn't put anything underneath my eyes, like any kind of eyeshadow, so to see if it would fade. Now, I still have the liner on my waterline. It's not as pronounced as when I first put it on, but it's still there. And I noticed like a little bit it came down, but think about it. If you had eyeshadow underneath here, it wouldn't even make a difference, and you just touch up. Not bad. For, what was it, 10:30, 11, 12, 1, 2, almost 4 hours. Not bad for a liner. Alright, so I'm going to try to come a little bit later on today and kind of let you guys know and keep you posted of what's going on. I think you should disregard this right here just because I think that I scratched my face or maybe rubbed it or something, because in this side it's not the same, you know? Okay guys, so it is 4:35. I'm super tired. Super tired, guys. So this is gonna be my last showing you guys the way the foundation is wearing on me, because to be honest, guys, I usually don't leave foundation on more than 4 or 5 hours. I mean, let me see, 10:30, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I mean, what can I say? I'm 40. I just want to take a shower and take care of my kids. Okay, so yeah, let me see how it looks. And this foundation is awesome. I mean, I don't see anything different around nowhere besides right here. If you can tell right here, like it kind of went in my little crease frown line. Very little, but all my foundations do that. And what I typically do when that happens is I set my face and then I get a little beauty sponge, and I kind of tap it. I mean, that's my frown lines or laugh lines. Alright, so yeah, this foundation is awesome. I may have to do it again, like test it again. I'll let you guys know like in my next video in a couple weeks. I'm going to put more foundation on, a little bit thicker, kind of build it up just to see how it wears throughout the day, like more of the foundation on my skin, because I went pretty light this time around, but I freaking like this foundation so much. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say about it as of right now, just because I didn't put tons of it. I did put enough of it though. Yeah, I have nothing else to say. So yeah, I mean, that is it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will kind of keep you guys posted on the same foundation, but just go a little bit thicker on my face, more foundation, just like a build up. And that's about it, guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys again within 2 to 3 days. I love you guys so much. Bye.